Hello students, how are you all? Students, let us continue with permutations. Your exercise that I have started, that is your exercise 7.3. Let us today, we will discuss your question number 7 students. In the question number 7, find out the value of R. We have to find out R students. In the first part, it is given to you that 5PR, this is equal to 2 into 6PR minus 1. This is our question students. By using the permutation, what you can say, this is 5 factorial upon 5 minus R factorial. This is equal to 2 into 6 factorial upon 6 minus into R minus 1 factorial. Now students, it will come as 5 factorial upon 5 minus R factorial. This is equal to 2 into 6 into 5 factorial upon 6 minus R, and minus is 1 factorial. Now here is 5 factorial, it will cancel out student. Now this is 1 over 5 minus R factorial. This is equal to 6 2s are 12, 12 upon 7 minus R factorial. Now students, we can write it as now 5 minus R factorial. This is equal to 12 upon 7 minus R, 6 minus R, 5 minus R factorial. Now this 5 minus R factorial, 5 minus R factorial will cancel out. This will come as by cross multiplying 7 minus R, that is equal to 7 minus R into 6 minus R, this is equal to 12. Now students, here what we can say that this by comparing them, 7 minus R, that is equal to, if you will see student here, this will come as 7 minus R. This is equal to, here what you can do students, either you can multiply them or even you can write it as 7 minus R. We can write this 12 as 4 into 3. So we can compare 7 minus R is equal to 4. So what you will say, this R will come as equal to 3 then students, right? If you will write here 6 minus R, that is equal to 3. So students, R will come as equal to 3. Therefore for this question, the value of R that will come as equal to 3 students. So that is the answer here, or another way is there also students. Even we can multiply them and it will form a quadratic equation from where we can also find out the value of R. This method, direct method, I have told you, by which we can find out the value of R. Its second part is same students. So try to solve the second part yourself. Now let us see question number 8. How many words with or without meaning can be formed by using all the letter of the word equation? EQUATION. Now students, in the word equation, assuming that no letter is here, each letter is exactly once, we have to use in this word equation students. So what you will see, first of all we will count these letters 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. There are 8 letters are there students, right students? Since the repetition of the letter is not allowed, so therefore for the given problem we are just, what we will do, arrange all the letters of the word of the equation taken all at a time. Therefore it can be written as 8P8, right? 8P8 means there are 8 factorial base. I mean to say 8 factorial means 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, and we will multiply them and their multiplication will come as 40320 students. That is your question number 8. This is the solution of the question number 8, student. Now let us continue with the question number 9. How many words with or without meaning can be made from the letters of the word Monday, assuming that no letter is repeated? If number 1, 4 letters are used at a time. Second part is all letters are used at a time. Third part is all letters are used but the first letter is a vowel. So let us see, students, here the word that is given you as Monday, right? Now in the Monday, how many letters are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6, means 6 letters are there, right? Let us come with the first part. When 4 letters are used, 4 letters are used, what its meaning? 6, there are 6 letters are there, 6p4. From the 6 letters we are using the 4 letter, students. So it will come as equal to 6 factorial upon 6 minus 4 factorial, or that will come as equal to 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 factorial upon 2 factorial. And students, that will come as equal to 6 5s are 30, 34s are 120, 120 is multiplied by, this will come as equal to 360 then, students. And your answer is 360 for this question. Let us come with the second part. When all letters are used, in the second part, all letters are used, what its meaning, students? There are 6 letters. From the 6 letters we are using the 6 letters there, means that is equal to 6p6. It will come as equal to 6 factorial, that is equal to 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. And students, if you will multiply them, that will come as equal to 720. So this is the answer of the second part. Now let us come with the third part, students. When all vowels are used, first letter is a vowel. Now let us see, students, in the word Monday, M-O-O-N-D-A-Y, Monday, we see that there are 2 vowels are there. Now students, what you will do, because in the first letter there are 6 letters are there, 1 2 3 4 5 6 letters are there. Here it is given to you that this first letter is filled by the vowel, means either we will use O, either we will use A. There are how many ways are there to fill this first letter? That is equal to, there are the 2 ways, students. या तो हम यहाँ से O लेंगे इसके प्लेस के ऊपर, या A लेंगे, and rest of the 5 letters, these 1 2 3 4 5. Now here, students, there are total number of the 5 letters. If we are using 1 letter here, the rest of the letter is 5, means what you will say? 5p5. We will use 5p5. So therefore the number of words that is equal to 2 multiplied by 5p5, means, students, it will come as equal to 2 into 5 factorial, that is 2 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. We will multiply them and it will come as equal to 240. Therefore the answer of this question is 240, students.